warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nasra Fatima. I am from grade 5. Today our topic is temperate grasslands. So anyone know what is temperate grasslands? Temperate means denoting a region of climate. Don't talk. Denoting means denoting a region or climate. And what is grassland? Where do we found grasslands? Continents. Yes, we can found in every continent except Antarctica. I want to talk with Alicia. Alicia? Our first topic is climate. Someone know what is climate? Climate means yes. This is weather. Means sunny. Yes. Summer hot and humid. Another task. Next. What? Selecting another task. Winter has in climate winters are cool and dry. It is not working. I will change the marker and document. Aisha is moving. You want to Someone tell what is vegetation? What? Vegetation. Stand up, come on. Yeah. Don't talk. What is vegetation?
Vegetation. More important.
And is dominant man. Tell fast. Alicia, tell what is vegetation? Vegetation means that you grow in plants that grow in life. Tall grasses that grow. Cross such as it makes only right and left. Okay.
I don't want that.
The video over.
Not over.
Shall I tell names of crops grow their plants? This is disturbing. Don't talk disturbing. Don't talk select crops such as wheat, maize, barley, rye, and oats are also grown in their regions.
There isn't this reason. Those reason.
Yes, it is. Wheat, what? I mean, sit down. Wheat and rice. Wheat, rice. Very good. Oats, Samay, sit down.
One boy, one dog.
That's a maize also. Maize, oats. I didn't find out. Come inside and sit on it. Mesa, what? And barley. Now animals. More 2 points are there now. Now 1 point is only. 1 point. Animals. Animals. Which animals are there? Shall I? Stand up, guys. Yes, tell. Scored, bison, antelopes, prairie dogs, grasshoppers, jackrabbits. Can I go to kangaroos and social now? Why can I go to social now for somebody? Antelopes and prairie dogs and grasshoppers, jackrabbits, snakes and rabbits is also Max drink water. Yes. Don't talk Samantha Nami. Talking. Now, after that, after animals, people.
Yes, I want to come here.
I mean, come and sit here. Not I sit in middle. No, you come here, Samad. Samad, come here. I will give you my eyes. Yes, that will be small. Nothing will happen. Come, you are writing something. Yes. Ma'am is. I will give you my answer. Ma'am, no. People also type of people live in a farms are Kirghiz and Kazakh. Yes. Kirghiz and Kazakh live in their North America. Samad, come and sit here. Otherwise you will get -30. Hey, Alisha, no one is. Alisha, I don't want the camera. Alisha, don't tell nothing of that. Come and sit here. Alisha, don't need to tell anything. She don't need to move. Don't tell her me. Don't tell her anything. Kirghiz and Kazakh. Kirghiz spelling is so. Serial coming in. Come and sit here. Amin, come and sit in first bench. Let's go one scratch. Nothing will happen. Let's go one scratch. Come here right away. Shall I? She's telling something. What she wants? Serial coming is another important obligation. Samat, come and sit here. Samat, come and sit here. No. I will give you money, sir. Come first.
Don't touch her.
Yes. The mother went outside. Amin, come and sit in first bench. You come and sit in first bench. Shall I go to washroom? No. Why? No. Nabila, come and Alina, what? Go and call them. Abdul Samad and both Abdul Samad come to the classroom. Can I call the mother? Who's calling? She is calling. You can't come and sit there. I'll bring her. Go and call to Maria. Amin, tell me what is happening. Sorry. Shall I call to Maria, ma'am? Sit down. Can I? Yes. Someone tell me what is climate? Can I come into the side? Call to Mama. Help us. Tell her you tell. What? How is climate? Climate class.
In summer, hot and humid.
Yes. In summer it will be hot and humid. The temperature glaciers have a temperate continental climate. Okay, that's what it means.
Keep quiet.
Vegetation.
I'm here, right?
Vegetation.
You can take
Grass is the permanent vegetation in the temperate grasslands. Tall grasses is found in the wet region and short grass is the dry animals live. So like we live in don't see there. Tell one answer.
Shall I go to washroom?
No.
The snakes are dead.
Okay, you tell. Jackrabbit. You. Another one. Kangaroo.
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 It is not kangaroo. That's kangaroo.
Don't kangaroo.
I mean you tell me now. Grasshopper.
Jackrabbit. Grasshopper. Grasshopper.
Then first.
This is wrong.
Yes. Now last is people. Talha, you tell one people name.
हमारी सरकार भी अनपढ़ है.
हाँ. Talha. Sit down. Samaj, you tell one people name. Hazaf and Kirgis. Tell one people name. coming is important occupation. I will learn the banana. Okay, Kiana. Shall I stop it?
Maria, don't this way it's not. Don't stop her. Are you not telling me? Stop it. Don't.
Sit down, everyone. I should come and sit. Stop.
Like what? We should stop her. No.
Max. Nabila, tell. What is climate? Climate. How is climate in Amritsar? Yes, tell. Don't speak in Hindi. Summers are hot and winters are dry. You tell what? Vegetation. Vegetation. Alfalfa is the natural grass found in the temperate climate. Nutritious grass. Nutritious grass found in the temperate climate. Samaj, you tell animals who live in temperate grass. Tell you. Stand up.
Prairie is Amanda.
That is prairie dogs. You tell.
I mean dog.
People's names. Nomadic tribes.
Isaac, Kirgi, and Kajal.
Come here. Don't you sit there. Sit here. Sit here, Samaj. I can't. It is not now, but the bell rang. Sit down. Don't speak in English. Today our topic is here. You want